Hello friends, I am Dr. Sachin Mutha. Today let us study a very important topic from dermatology, that is psoriasis. First of all, what is psoriasis? So psoriasis is a chronic skin disorder which is characterized by EPS, that is erythematous plaque scales. Scales, that is also silvery scales. What are the signs and symptoms of psoriasis? The classical signs and symptoms of the psoriasis, that is a rash, redness, stiffness of the joint, depression. Then it may be seen from the scalp up to the nails or up to the legs. It can be seen anywhere in the body. Then there is a tremendous dryness of the skin, there is a burning of the skin, also there is a peeling of the skin, there is a plaque which comes after scratching all over the night. It not only affects the body but it also affects the mental signs and symptoms of the patient because of the severe itching, and his mental confidence is very much decreased because he is unable to go outside due to his skin condition. So if it treated properly, it will be helpful not only for him but also for his family, and he can lead a proper, normal and satisfaction life, and he can attend all the functions and he can live a healthy life. So let us study what are the different drugs used for the treatment of psoriasis. The treatment includes of the psoriasis, that is, we should give him a social support, we should give him moral support, we should give him psychosocial support, we must give him physical support, also we should give him a proper medicines. Now what are different types of psoriasis? The different types of psoriasis for which I have made a mnemonic, that is PIC-PENS. For P, that is your pustular, then for I, that is your inverse, then for again G, PIG, G, that is your gutted, then for P, that is your plaque, then for E, that is your erythrodermic, then for N, that is nail psoriasis, and for S, that is scalp psoriasis. This is all the types of psoriasis. Now let us study what are different drugs used for psoriasis. For the different drugs using in psoriasis, I have made a mnemonic, that is Coca-Cola, Pita, same. For first CO, that is your corticosteroid, and for this I have made a mnemonic, that is your CBC. For C, that is your clobetasol, then for B, that is betamethasone, and for again C, that is your cortisone, that is hydrocortisone. Then for CO, then again cola. For cola, that is your coal tar, and for coal tar it comes in the form of cream, shampoo, ointment. Then Coca, for again Coca-Cola. For CO, that is corticosteroid. Then for CA, that is your calcipotriol or your calcitrol. And try to keep in your mind that due to the corticosteroid, it affects or it suppresses the HPA axis, and for the calcipotriol or calcitrol, it decreases the keratinocytes. Now for the coal tar we have discussed. Then Coca-Cola Pita, for P, that is your PUA therapy, that is psoralen and UVA therapy, which is your phototherapy also. Then for PI, that is your immunosuppressant drug. For immunosuppressant drug I have made a mnemonic, that is mice. For M, that is your methotrexate. For I, that is your infliximab. Then for C, that is your cyclosporin, and for E, that is your etanercept. Then PIT, that is for tazobactam, and it is a topical drug. Then for PITA, it is your acetretin. Acetretin is a systemic drug which is used in the treatment of psoriasis. Then for Coca-Cola Pita SA, for SA, that is your salicylic acid, and for ME, that is your emollient. This is in short the treatment of psoriasis. Now let us study what are the different MCQs related to psoriasis. The very first MCQ, that is first approved topical retinoid used in psoriasis. The different options for the topical retinoids, it is isotretinoin, then tazotretinoin, then your acetretin, and also that is your calcipotriene. Yes, the correct answer is the topical retinoid which is approved by FDA, that is your tazotretinoin. Then the second MCQ, auspich sign is seen in, auspich sign which is seen in the which condition? Lichen planus, ichthyosis, plaque psoriasis or pustular psoriasis? Yes, auspich sign is seen in psoriasis, but which psoriasis? It is seen in plaque psoriasis. The third MCQ, tiny bleeding spots which are seen after removing of the plaques. Tiny bleeding spots seen after removing of the plaques is seen in which condition? Is seen in which condition? That is your Koebner sign, then your Berkeley's sign, or your Kendall-Wax sign, or Auspitz sign. Yes, it is the bleeding tiny spots are seen in Auspitz sign. The next MCQ, psoriasis followed by streptococcal infection in children. Psoriasis followed by streptococcal infection in children is seen in which type of psoriasis? That is your pustular psoriasis, stable psoriasis, or arthritic psoriasis, or gutted psoriasis. Yes, it is seen in gutted psoriasis. The next MCQ, Gratis sign is seen in which condition? Pemphigus vulgaris, or lichen planus, or psoriasis, or in tinea infection. Yes, it is seen in psoriasis. Then psoriasis is exacerbated or it is increased by taking the drug. Which drug increases the exacerbation of the psoriasis? So the four option, that is your anti-malarial, the second is the beta blocker, the third is the lithium, and fourth all of the above. Yes, the answer is all of the above. All these four drugs causes exacerbation of psoriasis. Hope you like this mnemonic and MCQs. For more mnemonics and classification, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.